In South Africa, not all 80 by 80 thermal till rolls are the same length, even when the outer size looks the same. The reason is simple. 80 by 80 usually describes the roll width and outer diameter, not a guaranteed meter count. Local South African suppliers openly show this difference. For example, one supplier explains that their 80 by 80 roll is 70 to 72 meters, while another local supplier warns customers not to assume that every 80 by 80 roll contains the same amount of paper. They specifically note that winding quality matters. A loosely wound roll can look full but still contain less paper than expected. In practical terms, the final length of an 80 by 80 roll depends on several factors: paper thickness, GSM/caliper, winding tightness, core size, and how the manufacturer defines the product. That is why two rolls can both be labeled 80 by 80, fit the same POS printer, and still give different running time in a retail store, restaurant, or supermarket. South African size guides also treat 80 by 80 and 80 by 83 as closely related commercial sizes, which shows that even standard POS roll formats are not always identical in real supply chains. For South African buyers, the professional way to compare 80 by 80 rolls is not to look at outer size alone. You should ask the supplier for the actual meter length, confirm the paper grade/thickness, and check whether the roll is tight and evenly wound. If you only compare price per roll, you can easily buy a cheaper roll that runs out faster and actually costs more in daily use. That is especially important for high-volume businesses such as supermarkets, hospitality outlets, and franchise stores. So the short answer is, 80 times 80 is a size reference, not a universal length guarantee. In the South African market, two 80 by 80 rolls may look the same from the outside, but they are not necessarily the same in usable paper length or value.